I'm going to reveal a lot of secrets that some plumbers don't want to show, don't want to teach others. The first one is that when you're going to install your rain shower, before you put the pipe, you want to make sure that you put the little escutcheon. That is the little plate that is going to cover it there. The reason is that if you put it after, you're going to scratch with the teeth that are grabbing into the pipe, you're going to scratch the surface, and you don't want to do that. Once you fasten this thing with your hand, you don't want to use a vice grip because you're going to scratch again, you're going to damage your pipe. You want to do this internal screen fastener. They have it on 3/8, ½ inch, and 3/4. What you do is that as you twist it, it's going to have some grip inside. You fasten it to the right tension, and you avoid scratching the outside. Now, if you're going to put this regulator like a little valve or anything else, you don't want to use a regular vice grip. You want to use this one that has this protector. They have no teeth, and besides that, they have these nice protectors. So once you put this small regulator, if you want, they sell it in different finishes. What you want to do is you want to fasten it first with your hand and adjust the size of your vice grip and grab it, and you will avoid any type of scratches. Now, if you have a rain shower like this one, nice and flush, there's another issue that a lot of people have, and is that if they want to fasten that, they think that they can fasten it with a regular vice grip. What you want to do is you want to use the key that is sold with them, or find one that is small enough so you can actually grab it from a small little dentation that is there. They have a small area where you can actually hold it together and fasten it. So once you have that done, make sure that you put it back in a bag. You're gonna have some of the tips to replace them just in case, and another filter. So you want to put the key back again inside here. You want to leave it with the customer, put it inside one of the shelves, maybe tuck this with a piece of duct tape inside the cabinet, or a place where they can actually see it so they can service it. If you're gonna have jets, here is another issue that a lot of people don't show. Once you put your nipple, your little piece of pipe over there with Teflon, you want to make sure that you do that internal fastening as well. The problem with a lot of people and the frustration is that they grab it and they grab the threads with the vice grip, and that's where the problem happens, because they're going to have leaks over there. Now, you only want to have about 5/8 maximum of exposure of your pipe, no less than about 3/8, ½ inch. And once you do the stuff, you use your nice protective vice grip, and you have it done. You see how it works? Now you have all these beautiful features in your shower, and you have something that you can be proud of. Follow me in my other social medias, Hugo Correa DIY on Facebook, Hugo F. Correa DIY on Instagram, and on YouTube as Hugo Correa. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.